Up guys, today I'm playing Build a Boat. I'm gonna build anything but a boat with Fishy Gameo. I see. Okay guys, so he has made a massive dish.
It's a dish.
Oh my god. God knows how long that goes. Yo bro, does that reach to heaven? I think it's still going.
It doesn't let me load a new boat.
Ooh, good luck destroying this one by one, bro. Oh, I think we're gonna have to launch it real quickly so it can go away.
No!
Oh my god! Hey, bro, hopefully.
What is the build that the person?
Oh my god! It's like some type of Subnautica thing that it looks like. I don't even know what is that. That thing looks cursed.
You gotta launch. You gotta put the thrusters on.
We're back to square one.
Man, back up. No worries.
We gotta add the portals.
Yeah, wait. That's the wrong button.
Stupid. Wait, there's not another seat. Build. Turn on the thrusters. Fly away. Fly away like a free bird. That's gonna be your boat.
Look at me. Oh, I forgot I added a plant.
We should add some portals in case we get lost.
Yeah.
I'm gonna replace my door with the original door. Ow! Pika. Bad bird.
Hey, I'm the builder.
Alright, bro. Oh, I don't think a portal fits in my hat. Alright, bro. Let's go.
Wait. We gotta.
Oh, I had to add a C. Because you remember what happened last time when I didn't add a C? You remember?
I gotta upgrade my boat.
Alright, Fishy Gameo, I see you. Oh. No. Fishy Gameo. Why is it so bright? It's so bright in my house. I can't see Help me! What are you doing? Ryan. Fishy Gameo. What is this?
Anyways.
I can't wait for my boat to go away from yours.
What? Oh my gosh, the portal.
That's like my house. I can't wait to go away from you. Yours is an eyesore. Your bill is an eyesore. Alright guys, so Fishy Gameo has an eyesore as a house. Yo, you're making the ocean change colors.
Yeah, exactly. You know, it's too dark in the ocean nowadays.
Hey guys, let's see
You
if
know,
we
our
survive.
portals might break.
You think mines will, bro? Fishy Gameo, I don't see you! Fishy Gameo!
Oh, you're good.
Fishy Gameo, I hate you! Why did you add the portal there? Oh, no! Fishy Gameo, my house is falling! Oh my god, you do not want to see what's in here. You can't, the portals don't even work.
Because my portal broke. Oh.
You'll see once I'm editing this video. Actually, I can just show you right now on camera. You like my house, bro? And I still can't see shit in my house. I have a little window. It's a side window now. What's up, bro? No, give me my chair back. I can't even sit in the chair. How do you sit in the chair, Fishy Gamer? Oh, there you go. Okay, I'm in my chair. Goodbye, bro. Oh, your build is kind of drifting. Yeah, bro, you gotta go now, bro.
How am I gonna
You stupid. Your build is kind of... Yo.
Oh no. My food is still better than yours right now.
Wait, you were able to oh wait, our teleporters are gone right now.
Break this. I wanna go. Oh!
Get us some
I did it.
Alright, good. Now you can... Wait, I'm playing the piano.
Guys, Roman died.
I'm still alive. I'm being destroyed by cookies. Actually, these are not cookies, I think. Actually, these are cookies. Woo! Ooh! My house is good! I can see now! No! You guys gotta like the video to see. No! You guys gotta yay! You guys gotta like to see more funny build boat moments with me and Fishy Game Mode. Cause since it's summer and we're not in school anymore, we can make a lot more videos. No! No! Please help me. No. No. I can't see shit anymore. Dude, my roof is beginning to tear itself. Actually, no, that's my wall. Dude, I think you need... I think you don't need lights.
I do, because I can hear you, because we found the lights.
No! Fishy Gable! This is so sad. No, it's not time for that. Oh, bruh. Fishy Gable, my whole entire, I guess, floor now is missing. I'm dead. I'm actually dead. I died. Are you gonna make a house out of lamps?
I'm gonna make houses out of the brightest thing you've ever seen.
Can I at least go inside of it?
Now I'm just making some bright ash.
What is Chiv? I have something saved called Chiv. Oh! Oh, I remember this. Don't you, Fishy Game-O?
What is that? I can't see.
I wonder why, Fishy Game-O.
Oh, wow. I definitely remember that.
Remember the thruster incident? Oh, I'm sorry. I have no doors. You gotta... There you go, bro.
Guys, replay the clip of the first incident.
It's pretty funny. Okay, guys. Why?
I could add more thrusters.
No! Oh my god! Okay, we're safe. For now. Okay, now we can do the party.
Okay, so if I wanted to get out.
Oh wait, you can't get out. That's the fun. Oh my. Fishy Game O?
Sorry. Yeah.
No! Somebody save me! No! 6-7 on Merry Christmas! 6-7! Don't jump. No! Oh god. That was hell. Oh god. Oh god. It's a fire funk.
You spotted it, bro.
No! You're down. You leave that corner.
No, just leave it like that. It'll be funny.
I can't even come in.
Leave it like that. It's funny.
You're not invited. You cannot come in this car. I can't even see Yo. Oh my.
We're not done yet. We're not done yet.
You've gone so high, I can't even see you. I can't even see it. Like, I can't even see it anymore. It's not being built anymore. Wait, actually, let me add some.
I can see the whole map. I don't know why I can see the whole map.
I wonder why, Fishy Game O. I wonder why.
Stay in the car. We'll stay in this house car and see what will happen.
Not sit down. You could.
I'm gonna sit down inside. Alright, guys. Let's see what will happen.
Yes.
Yay.
Shut the door.
Yo, it's actually fine right now. Oh. Oh, now I got a free pathway to see what's going on. No, why are you doing that? You know, I think I'm inside to launch this, didn't you?
Dude, you were the one who pressed launch.
No, you decided to press the freaking thruster.
Oh, Fishy Game O! Come back. Oh, look, Fishy Game O, I see you. Fishy Game O, I'm gonna on you.
Alright, now.
Fishy.
Alright, now I got a free pathway. Are you coming, bro?
I mean, I'll try. I'm kind of stuck in my cars. I can't. Guys, I can't get out. It's because of his long gray dick shape. That's not letting me get out of here. I can't see the world. It just rotated itself.
I got off.
This is so stupid.
No, it's experiments.
Fishy Game, I will shard on you. No, take me back. Take me back home. Take me back. Somebody help. Wow. Oh, bro. The power of building. We will collide houses. Okay, well, you're not really a house. God, I'm gonna
I know how to collide it. All of my blocks are going away like pretty fast.
I wonder why Fishy Game I see you.
They're still going away!
It's because your build is so fast. Okay, there.
No, we gotta do better. Oh, I don't even have that block anymore. Gotta wrap around it. Alright, guys, launch it.
You need a seat.
No, I don't. Let's go. Okay, fine. I'll add a seat. And I'll also add more thrusters.
Oh, heck no.
Oh, hell yeah. Gotta add those thrusters for the busters.
Hi, I'm Buster. And I don't want to die. Fine.
might
Fishy
die.
Game, please. Please, no. No! What? What? That's not how it works! You know I'm gonna get blasted with You know I'm gonna get blasted with fire, right?
You're not gonna get blasted with fire.
Dude, you put thrusters facing right towards me. So if I turn them on, I'm gonna
Anyway, let's go.
Fishy. No. I'm so happy I got that on camera. Guys, what a normal day it is and build a boat. What a normal day it is and build a boat. I didn't know that was what would happen if you combine a long dick with a car with 5 billion thrusters.
Cheers.
Yeah, let's make a house out of the star. Let's make a house out of stars.
Star?
Like the star area. Butter blocks as our base.
The only blocks that I have is butter blocks.
Oh, let's make a butter block house then. Actually, you know what? Screw that. Never mind.
Actually, I have more than butter blocks.
Yeah, so let's make a house out of only actual blocks.
Huh?
Let's make a house out of only actual blocks.
Only out of square stuff?
Yes. And then I guess we can add thrusters.
What about planes?
I bet. You can add that too. Add anything that will make you fly or go fast. In the broken way.
Because of our limit and
Mimicky, I see you. Mimicky will give me rabies if I don't
bro,
say
stop placing stuff. I'm on that place. This is pretty similar to a butter block.
Yo, Fishy Game.
What?
I was just looking at the. I was just showing the camera the people who were building that thing that looked weird that we said. I said it looked like from Subnautica. It's a rocket, and I just saw it fly straight to the moon.
Guys, we gotta visit them. You know what? I'm gonna visit them right now. Alright. Put your seat.
What? Okay, what do we do about this?
Oh, you can just look at it. But place your seats, everybody. Look, we're going to your base.
Okay, 1 second. I'm gonna put mine right here.
Okay, let's go.
Shikimo, I see you.
I kind of placed the wrong seat.
Build a boat, they said.
What's happening?
Shikimo, what'd you do? I bet this person is looking in terror of what just happened.
I think I gotta put it on the right seat next time.
Oh my god.
What the hell? R.I.P. to that, I guess. R.I.P. They're right next to us already, yeah.
Oh my god, I still see it. It's still over there in the distance.
Yeah, I know. Let's see, where's my correct seat?
Add my seat. Alright, we gotta add some thrusters to make it a little faster.
No.
Oh. do you see me at the blue area? Fishy Gable, I'm flying!
No, they put a blocker! No. They built it all out of thrusters.
There's no way.
Hackers.
Now we should make a house out of thrusters.
No. I'm gonna try to make a plane.
Is this
Oh my gosh, look at
It's
these,
a-
bro. Look at these planes.
Oh! I wish we were kind of still on them. Except for that one right there. That one right there is a failure. Look at the blue area. Do you see?
Oh, they're coming.
Yo, Fishy Gamer. Look over there.
Look at the ones in the air right now.
Wait, what is up with the pilot? No!
Alright. Don't remember.
I missed the red airplane.
Alright, now you gotta do what you gotta do.
Oh yeah!
That all of the thrusters?
One more, at least. Oh, there you go. Alright, Fishy Gable.
Alright.
Alright, Fishy Gable. Trust me to drive us. You see what happened to the other airplane. Go!
It's actually working better than ever.
Woo! let's go to the moon.
Wait, it's time.
Get ready for takeoff. Oh fuck. What happens if we end up like the one airplane? Let's go to the moon with those other people. What the? No! Okay, chat. Are we cooked, chat? Oh! Wait, who's gonna drive it now? Help! Help!
Where is it? Oh!
I'm relying on 2 airplanes right now.
Awesome.
So, this sucks. It wasn't as worse as the one airplane.
Talking about.
What?
That's my airplane.
That's gonna peak. Oh. What the hell are you?
Do you think we should rebuild it?
Oh my, that's our airplane?
Yeah.
I wanna go to the moon with those people.
We can. They put barriers.
No.
We can go to the moon by ourselves.
Okay, put everything that you have that can make you go faster fly. Everything. Every single one.
I only know 2 stuff that can make you go faster fly.
What about this?
No, that only goes to water.
Oh, okay. What about this?
About what?
This.
Oh yeah, I have a lot of balloons, but I need that one. We gotta add some parachutes as well.
Oh. Fishy game or what the flip?
But what happened? No way, do not launch them right now.
Alright, I ran out.
I didn't. That's the floor, but it doesn't matter. I ran out. It's gonna be so worth it.
Fishy gamer, these are on the
Do
floor.
not start them right now, okay?
But these are on the floor.
Yeah, don't start them, don't start any of them right now. Okay,
Oh my god.
Roman, put a seat,
Are you ready to fly to the moon? My seat is gonna be right here. Oh fuck! What the? Game on the shit. This is how we could break into the other people's stuff. Oh my god, there's only a few thrusters that can still activate. Are you ready to go to the moon, Fishy Gamer? Oh wait, oh fuck, oh fuck, oh fuck, oh fuck. No, no, no! I only rely on one airplane. It runs out of
And the
fuel.
balloons and the balloons.
Ooh. Mm. I'm ready to break in. I'm gonna break in. Go!
The balloons are still keeping the airplane, huh? Are you in the air?
I almost got hit by a rocket.
Bro?
I almost got hit by a rocket. I almost got hit by a rocket. Guys, go back to clip.
It's still in the air, by the way. So.
Well, I mean, it wouldn't float.
It wouldn't be in the air?
Yeah. So this is gonna be my house, bro. Wait, can you make the same exact flying thing, but then make a massive dick? Like a massive long stick? So
Why
we
would
can see
I
what
want
will
to?
happen if it would fall again, like this time.
Why would I want to do dick?
Like a long tower. Like, you know how you go.
Yeah, funny.
Yeah, like one of those. While we also built that. Okay. I'll break.
Gotta wait till it's done loading, by the way.
Alright, bet.
It's not done loading.
What?
It's not done loading.
How far did you make that, by the way?
A little bit.
A little bit.
Still not done. It's done now. Okay, time for the best part.
Airplane. My seat is gonna be right here. My seat is gonna be right here. Oh fuck! Actually, no. I can't delete my freaking seat. Fishy Gamo, I see you.
Just sit there, okay?
Oh, oh my god. Yo, go into the green build. The green area right there. That's not
I can't. Remember, barrier blocks.
They added barrier blocks in the game.
A long time.
Yeah, this
Can't
is
look
how
at
we...
your button. Now when they decide to turn on. Wow.
Oh, there's a micro. Oh, fuck. Having so much fun. Oh, fuck.
Oh, some nice towers.
Woo! 100 gold just for that.
Got 20 gold.
You can solve this, baby. Guys, what happened?
Nothing.
And why'd you go?
Cause I can.
That's weird. Alright, guys. So he's gonna decide what we build now. Or are we gonna still fly in the moon? In the what? Let's add one of these to our build. Okay, it's not that good. How do you get
It's pretty peak right now. And then we add beautiful seed. Alright, that's it.
Wait. Got my own cannons. I need more cannons, bro. 2 more cannons. And now let me add my seat. Bro, blast off. Oh. Oh my!
This one's complicated.
What kind of skill is this? This skill is competition.
I'm gonna play Penguin.
Penguin.
Knock it out this Oh wait.
We're not on the same team. Actually, I think we are.